Hi, it's Anthony from OQplay.com, and today we're looking at another battery strap accessory from BeswinVR that helps locate your battery onto any Halo strap, and it can also be used on some other head straps too. So let's jump in and see how well it works. So the big issue with Halo straps and wanting to add a battery pack to them is that there's few areas or loopholes to attach the battery strap onto. If you use the top strap on your Halo strap, you can usually attach most battery straps onto it, but it does make it less comfortable and it adds some unnecessary pressure to the top of your head. BeswinVR has created a solution to help solve this issue with their Halo battery kit. It's basically a large O-ring style rubber pad with foam interior, which isn't all that different to the rear pad of the Oculus Elite Strap, with the exception that it has an extra piece on top with 2 attachment holes, along with some velcro stickers and straps, and using all of these components it will help you attach most power banks onto your Halo strap. In the kit you get the PU leather foam pad with TPU rubber backing support. This has 2 side holes to attach onto the side rails of your head strap, and there are 2 holes at the top to feed a top strap through for extra stability. There's a short 5 amp, 3 centimeter long USB-C to USB-A charging cable to attach your chosen power bank to. You get a power bank leather strap with an additional Velcro strap for cable management. And there's 2 pairs of Velcro straps and a pack of 4 round adhesive Velcro pads and 1 long adhesive Velcro pad too. You can attach the main foam pad in a number of ways depending on the Halo strap you want to attach it to. Using the many straps and stick-on adhesives, you can attach the main pad onto the Velcro points of your Halo strap. Or you can use the foam pad holes at the sides and at the top to also help secure it in place. On the inner head side of the pad, there are 2 removable soft cushion foam pads, which help add extra comfort and support to the existing rear pad that you'll be replacing. The Halo padding kit comes with a PU leather battery holder strap, which is used to strap onto the lower part of the main pad. There's also some Velcro straps to attach the pad onto the top of the strap also. And there is an additional strap for cable management too. The Halo padding kit isn't just for Halo straps though. I tried it on the K3 Elite Strap from iGlow, the default Oculus soft strap, but I found the big advantages came from the original Halo strap design, including the one with the updated rear pad, as well as the newer Halo strap designs from BeswinVR M2 and the BeswinX Premium Deluxe Audio Strap. The BeswinVR Halo padded kit retails for $35.99 or £35.99 from Amazon. You can check out my links in the description to learn more and to buy them. It comes in 2 colors, this white and black, and there is a black and white bundle too if you want to save some pounds on getting both colors together. Personally, I thought the black looked much better on Halo straps that I tried, but the white version would go better with the default soft strap. I found the many supplied straps and Velcro pads were enough to easily mount the strap where I wanted it, and this worked across a number of head strap types. The side loops were a great way to add extra stability where the adhesive Velcro pads might not have been enough, but on some Halo straps I found it wasn't a perfect fit when using both Velcro and sidebar attachment holes. Also, it was a bit of a mission to remove the rear strap on some of the Halo straps to find out that just using the Velcro adhesives alone were much easier and a better fit. The main letdown for me was its power bank strap. Its PU leather material doesn't really create the same level of quality and stability as some other alternative battery straps that I've covered on this channel. And I found the supply cable was just around 10 centimeters too short for some head strap types. But if you're looking for a way to attach a power bank onto your Halo strap, or you're just looking to improve the overall comfort of your Halo strap, then the BeswinVR Halo padding kit is a great accessory to help improve your mounting options as well as comfort. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, please leave us a like and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about this Halo battery kit from BeswinVR. You can check out all my other head strap accessories for the Quest in this playlist here. Hit that subscribe button down below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.